Hello guys, this is digital combined from clinic. um so sorry for the background noise. My area here is always noisy, so it's very hard for me to do at times to do video coverage and post it. At times I'll have a problem that we did solve, and I will not do video coverage because of the noise. But I just say, okay, let me do a video coverage on this problem. So now, the issue of this phone, Nokia 105 TA-1174, that's the model, Nokia 105 TA-1174. Now this phone, it was brought to us. Actually, it has been given to another technician, and guys, I'm so sorry for the background noise. I said it was given to a technician before to fix, but when they fix the screen, what about the screen? Show. Okay, right. Okay, blue the day. So they've given it to a technician before to fix, and actually they fixed the screen, and it wasn't powering on. It was not coming up. Are you getting it? It was not coming up at all. So now, even though it comes up, it's going to show white. It's going to show white. Okay. Now, according to the information I got, it was showing white after fixing the screen. So after I fixed the screen, it was showing white according to the information. God, the noise is too much. According to the information that was given to us, it was showing white after they fixed the screen. So they tried, they could not. Now, a quick one. Now I noticed some of the tracks here are not really on the testimeter. Now you can check on the testimeter on the screen. Our positive probe will be on the ground, then our negative probe will start checking those pins one by one. The first one is ground. This one should be reading. You can see it's reading. It's reading. What is it reading now? Can I zoom in? It's reading 37. It's reading. It's working. The third pin also is working. The fourth pin is ground. Nice one. The fifth pin is reading. The sixth pin is reading. The seventh pin is reading. The eighth pin is ground. The ninth pin is what? Is reading also. This one is not reading. That is, we are on how many pin now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11th pin. 11th pin is not even reading at all. Okay, what about the last pin? The last pin is reading, but the 11th pin is not reading. Now, what could have happened here? What could have happened here? I think let's check at the back. Let's check those tracks, because those tracks are very due to wear and tear. Look at the tracks. I noticed something on the tracks. Look at these tracks properly. You can see it seems as if it's not connected very well. You can see from this place. If you observe the board thoroughly, okay, this connection is still okay. The tracks is still okay. I'm checking the tracks. These two tracks, it seems as if it's corroding. So I think we'll need to scrape it off, and let's scrape it off and let's see if it's still intact. mi a lè ṣe lálẹ́ yìí mọ́. All right. You can see the tracks is missing. You have two missing tracks. Let me check where this stuff is coming from. I said I will not tap it from here. Let me see. This is coming from here. From this place. So I'll tap my jumper from here. Where is it going? It's going to this place. Then we have the third pins. Hold on, this. Hold on, is here. So hello guys, I'm done with the what is it called? I'm done with the soldering, the missing tracks. So I've done it. So I want to check from my testimeter if everything is intact. You can see it's beeping on the testimeter, it's beeping. It's reading. The third tracks also is reading. The fourth tracks is beeping, that's the ground. The fifth track is reading. The sixth track is reading. The seventh track is reading. The seven tracks, this is the seven tracks, is reading. The 8 tracks is reading. The 9 tracks is reading. The 10 tracks is reading. No, the 10 tracks, sorry, they've got the lights. The 10 tracks is ground. The 10 tracks is ground. The 11 tracks is reading. The 12 track, what happened? 11 tracks, rather. 11 tracks. What happened to 11 tracks? It's not reading. What happened? Something is wrong. 12 tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12 tracks is reading. The 11 tracks. What happened to 11 tracks? That is not reading. Something is wrong somewhere. Can I trace it? The second tracks. Okay, I think the second tracks is also missing. I did mistake on my what's it called, on my connections. I did mistake on my connection. The connection here is supposed to be here, this place. So I did mistake on my soldering rather. So I'm going to desolder that place now. Let me add some paste. My 11 track is missing. My 12 tracks, my 12 pins, pin 12 is intact. It's just my 11th pin that is missing. So this is my 11th pin. This is the connection. This is the tracks here. Now the tracks is in place now. I did mistake. I went to solder on pin 12 tracks. It's not supposed to be so. Let me do a clean up. So let's go back to the reading using our testimeter. Let's see if our 11th pin is reading now. 11th pin. You can see our 11th pin is reading now. Yeah, it's reading on the testimeter. Hope you can see it. 11th pin is reading. Eleventh pin is reading now. Can you see, guys? Hope you can see. 11th pin. This is our 11th pin. 11th pin is reading. So far so good. I'll need to mount the screen now. Let's see. It should be working. Let me zoom out. There's already paste on it. If there's no paste, you have to add paste. I'm going to use my eyes. I'm not using a microscope now. Right. I need to set it to So let me quickly do a clean up on the spots on that screen. So soldering is intact. Soldering done. So let me test it. Let me test. I need to zoom out. There's the carcass. I can't let one me tell you. Fine, man. Where is battery? Our battery. I'll do this more for you. Alright, sir. It's not coming up. Alright, ma. Tolu, bye. It's not coming up. It's the battery down. Is the battery down, sir? It's not down. Don't stick coming up. Should I change the screen or what? I'm still doing some cards. Let's check on the mic. It's not coming up. After the not coming up, let me check what's the problem. Her connection is wrong. 2 is missing. Line 2 is missing. Then line 3. I've done the line 3. Yes, it's correct. Not again is missing. I was trying to observe the tracks. Tracks. Something fishy about these tracks. All these tracks, something's fishing. Thoughts. Trying to investigate the board. If I see anything fishing on that board, I'm going to deal with it. Tissues, wait till Lolly. I'm out to Lolly. For charge. Kí ni ẹ? Jẹ́ sílẹ̀ ṣe bí wọ́n bò wá bí ṣé bọ́ ṣe fi kí ní ilẹ̀ ilé àwọn tá ló fi lẹ́bàá ìfànà díẹ̀ wọ́n kọ́ máa ṣe é báyìí. I think that stuff, the other side is okay. Let me check this place. Stuff. Something's fishing. looks as if he's corroding. The board is corroding. This is intact, still intact. The track is still intact. So this is why I'm peeling it off. I just want to know if there is no break, if the track has not break down somewhere. I'm just trying to investigate those tracks. If it has breakdown somewhere, let me know. To zoom closer and see efficiency. I don't know which track is this. You can see the tracks, it looks as if it has breakdown somewhere. You can see these tracks, it's not connecting well. Oh, there's quite a board. The board looks old due to lack of maintenance. I don't know where this connection is going, but it's not connecting. You can see it has breakdown here. It has breakdown here. It has breakdown somewhere here. Let's see. That's what we've got here. Let's see if it is connected. Okay, I think the connection is still intact. The connection is still intact. Let's leave that side. The connection is intact. Just that it looks fishy. That is how I'm trying to. The battery connector. Look at something. What happened to this stuff? Something happened. So this is a resistance. That's a resistance. after our investigation, trying to investigate this board. Or should I change the screen? I think I have on the screen. Everything is intact here. Tracks are intact. Could it be the cause? I doubt. I'm disconnected. I doubt. And so guys, I've disconnected the, what's it called? I've disconnected the LED and it was still the same thing. So I find out that, you can see, I find out that it was the screen that was not okay. That's why it was not coming up. Apart from the missing tracks, because the tracks was missing and it was not coming up. Now this screen is not okay. Now if I should power it up, okay, let me put the phone on the carcass, inside the carcass, and let's see. And let me put this on the carcass. Trying to power it on now. Guys, if you can see under the microscope, you can see there is Nokia there, but the backlight isn't working, so it has come up now. Before it wasn't coming up. Now it's coming up now. You can see it's coming up. The light I'll show you can see the light. It's coming up. So we'll be working on the backlight. I don't know whether if the screen is faulty, but this is a new screen. Could the backlight be having an issue? Well, let's check the board. Let me see if there's any. I'll need to check the schematic diagram of this phone for me to trace the backlight connection. Let me check, because audio tracks is working perfectly. This screen is kind of fishing. Look at this one I just bought, and it's having an issue. It's having an issue. New screen. I bought a new screen and it's having an issue. So this one is working, but the backlight is not working. So let me check the schematic diagram. Yeah. So hello guys. Now, excuse me. Now I've checked the jumper. So the jumper will be showing on your screen. Hope you can see it on your screen. So now we are tapping from the second pin, and secondly on my testimeter it seems as if when I tested everything was working, but now it seems as if my second pin is missing. Second pin is missing. It's not reading on my testimeter. It's not reading on my testimeter. So we'll be tapping from here. We are going to solder our wire here it's going to go like this to this hole, then to come out from this hole, then to go to this place. Hope you guys understand. So our jumper wire is going to this place, from here to the second pin, to this second pin here, this second pin, because that's the only pin that was missing. So after that, if I should work it now, it's going to work. So let me start my working. So that is complete. Now let's test. Let's test. So you can see it's working now. So guys, you can see it's working. It's working properly. So guys, if you love this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe also. This is TG Tech on my phone clinic. Thank you for watching.